Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi and today we'll be showing you around this brand new Audi A5 Avant Black Edition S-Tronic. This estate comes dressed in the gorgeous Daytona grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass adding a touch of sophistication. All while standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin spoke design making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi skateboard dash. And as you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. If you like listening to your playlist, then you'll absolutely love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display, going on the home screen, into navigation to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and in the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving mode such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive or Comfort for those longer journeys. Below you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. With the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points and Audi phone box with wireless charging. 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. This brand new Audi A5 Avant is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who will be more than happy to help. Thank you.